Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we would like to show you how to trap frogs with which we call butthole frog trap. And today we're gonna show you how to trap the frog with this trap. It is really awesome. We take the Coca-Cola bottle to make a very simple frog trap. And this is our bite that we use now to catch frog. Okay everyone, please keep watching this video from the beginning until the end of how we trap the frog by the simple butthole frog trap. Okay, let's get started together. This is our bite, everyone. We use nail for our bite. First one we on. Yes. I think this is good plus. Okay, the first one we trap here. Okay, we just keep it. Make the ground a bit smooth. All right. And the next 3 hours we will be back to check our trap. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay everyone, now we have done 4 frog trapping today, and the next 3 hours we will be back to check our trap, and hopefully we will have some frogs for our trap. And okay, see you in the next 3 hours. Bye bye. Hello friend, now we are back to check our butthole frog trap, and hopefully we will get some frog from our trap, and let's see together how many frog we will have today. Okay, let's see together right now. Let's go. We got one. Okay, that's it. Oh. One frog, everyone. We get one frog now. Oh, it bigs. Oh my God, it bigs. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, check this one. This one. No. No frog. Oh, this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. big frog. One more big frog. At the back, one more. Take a look at the back. It's one more. Okay.
He dropped him.
Be careful. All right. Too big.
I should add water.
Okay, let's go to the next one. We got 3 now, everyone. We got 3. One more. This one? No. 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 Wow.
Take one back.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. Well, this one, no. Look at that one. No, this one, no. We got four big frogs today. Okay, for now we got 4 big frogs for our Butol frog trap today. And hopefully you enjoy watching our video. Please thumbs up to our video and don't forget to subscribe to get more uploaded video. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.